End of the workday, and you're already bracing for the what's for dinner battle. Groceries cost more than ever, yet half of them never make it to the table. Meet MealestroAI, your email-first dinner assistant that takes care of the planning for you. Each week, on the day you choose, you'll receive 7 dinner ideas customized to your family's taste and schedule. Choose the meals you actually want to cook, 1, 2, or all 7. MealestroAI turns those picks into a grocery list with exact portions. No overbuying, no food waste. Life gets hectic, but MealestroAI has your back. If you haven't picked your dinners within 3 days, a friendly nudge pops into your inbox to keep you on track. 2 days before the next menu drops, MealestroAI checks in. Got leftovers or flyer deals we should use? Type them in or snap a quick photo, and those items are woven into your new recipes, slashing waste and shaving dollars off your bill. No time to reply? No worries, you'll still get a full dinner plan and can jump in on the next cycle. Result? Less stress, smaller bills, and dinners everyone actually eats. MealestroAI lives in your inbox. No apps, no new logins. Tap your personal link and save it to your mobile home screen, and your cooking .set dash up takes under a minute, and your first plan arrives today.